Hi guys. So this is all alleged. So Popcorn Room Essay posted this. They said Buhle Samuels strikes again, this time with Lerato Kganyago's husband. Yo, Sana. So Etin Dalba, the popular influencer, is reportedly at the center of yet another celebrity relationship scandal with claims that she may be linked to the possible breakdown of a well-known celebrity couple's marriage. If you remember, Buhle Samuels was previously alleged to have been involved with Asavela's husband. Now, hey, fresh allegations suggest she may have moved on to another woman's husband. Yo, shuthi targets market kaBuhle Samuels amadoda abantu. Yo, waze waduma kabi sis. Waze waduma kabi. Aye guys, bathi an anonymous source has made explosive allegations involving influencer Buhle Samuels and Lerato Kganyago's husband Thami Ndlala. According to the source, Buhle is allegedly in a relationship with Thami and has reportedly been receiving financial support from him. Yo, the source further alleges that both Thami Ndlala and Kutlwano Pitso, founder and owner of Moja Cafe, are financially responsible for Buhle's apartment in the northern suburbs of Johannesburg. These allegations have not been independently verified by the Popcorn Room RSA. Buhle Samuels was recently at the center of another controversy after allegations surfaced linking her to Asavela's husband. The Popcorn Room RSA was unable to obtain comments from Lerato Kganyago, Thami Ndlala, or Kutlwano Pitso at the time of publication. So guys, like I said, this is all alleged. If guys, this is all true, Buhle. Hey, I shame the Tombazani. Anyway, guys, we're just gonna go through the comments now. Ilong babazile nje. So guys, Kanyimbawu commented and said, no one is above the program. That is so true, hey? It is true, like, for real. This one said, Buhle Samuels has no shame, no self-restraint, lacks self-respect and self-love. Like, how is this what you are known for? This one responded and said, it's really shocking, especially when there are millions of single men with money around her, yet she keeps settling for married men. Guys, what if lama single man awamsheli ushelwa yilaba abashadile? Guys, phela ngesikwazi ukuthi siblame uBuhle Samuels yedwa la, cause nalamadoda nawo arongi, cause nawo angithi ayazazi ukuthi ashadile, so why ashela uBuhle? Why? Kodwa phela naye urongi ukuthi waqomelani ke amadoda ashadile azi ukuthi ashadile. Nje bowu-two nje barongi. Amadoda ashadile arongi, uBuhle urongi. But it seems like abantu bablame kakhulu uBuhle la kule situation. But yeah. Anyway, let's move on. Married men need to leave single women alone. Yeah. Yo Buhle naye madoda abantu kanti iphi yakhe. Uthi lowe, oh, why amadoda abantu eshela uBuhle? Good question. Ngoba phela akuyena owashelayo, iwona ashela yena. Mase yena enze njani? Mase yawaqoma allegedly. Lerato doesn't deserve this. No, she doesn't. And no one does. No one deserves this. Like, nobody. Lerato even removed her marital surname on IG and she hasn't been wearing her ring for a while now. Well, guys, ngihambile ngayo-check-a ke nami ke to verify lento ukuthi iqiniso yini, and boom, ususile ngempela uNdlala awusekho ku-Instagram yakhe, ususile isibongo sakhe, and ngihambele nga-check ama-video akhe nje yabo lawa asanda kwaphosta, even nala ayiphoste namhlanje. Iringu Lerato akayifakile. Asazi ngempela yabo nje guys, yabo indaba zomjolo zemishado, hey kushubile guys, like kushubile amadzoza. Ayishem usedinga induku. Hayi ke sana, kushuthi nje uBuhle Samuels uzothi eyihambela nje emall, akuvele nje qhamuka abantu besifazane bambhaxe ngoba ngathi hayi cha shem nje sonke sidiniwe on behalf of uLerato, like girl. Girl, hayi angeke yabo nje if kukuthi lento iqiniso, awa babes no. Hawu hayi ngeke babes. Buhle doesn't care shem. Married man after married man. Hayibo, hey yazi yaduma kabi intombazane. Bayamyeka uBuhle. Lona ufuna ukubhonywa kuboshoboshayo ngeke phela. Kushuthi basekude kuphela uNondindo. Yo guys, imani bafethu, what if mhlambe njengoba uLerato Kganyago esusile igama landlala laphayana ku-IG yakhe eneringi engasayifaki, what if sebehlukene mhlambe uBuhle umqomile uThami, ngoba vele mhlambe uThami uthi hayibo mina sengihlukene noLerato ngisingle manje, so asenze into yethu. What if ithina asikakazi ukuthi guy, I'm just saying, angisho ukuthi I just opinion yami nami angazi ngiyacabanga. I'm just saying nje ukuthi what if. That time his wife works 24/7 while he is financially providing for other women. I have never liked this man for Lerato. Anyway, that's it from me guys. Please share your thoughts under the comments and I'll see you guys on my next one.